welcome. This is Rosemary. Today I am going to unbox my 46th birthday presents from my husband. This one, the Delongi coffee maker. Let's start to unbox now. For my very wonderful husband. Look at this. I will explore this later, and then I need to read the manual. For the meantime, I will start this one. And anyway, they're having this one is have a 1-year warranty. So this is the receipt and the warranty. We bought this one. This is 949 reals. We bought this one in Monoprix in Mushirib, downtown city here in Doha. Thank you for watching, and later I will doing the initial cleaning. I need to grind the coffee. Oops.
What we use for.
It's a coffee.
All right, so this is for one.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. You just have to play it by ear. I don't know.
Okay. All right.
So one,
Mm-hmm. You're gonna press one.
this one.
A very tiny stevia.
Okay, that's for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, remember I'm left-handed, so I'm on my
Okay.
left. Now, stops.
Uh-huh. There you go. Ta-da!
Okay, should get better after this.
Yes, you're gonna get better next time.